Hi friends, welcome back. This is unboxing video of Asus ZenWiFi XD5 mesh router. It comes with 3 ports. Each one has one WLAN and another LAN port, and the LAN can be connected to WLAN port also. So one of them can be connected to modem and it works as a router. So any of those ports works as router. Let's unbox it. This is the advanced Wi-Fi helper tip, and this brochure has instructions on how to set up. In case of trouble, this is the number to call, and app setup instructions, quick start guide in a different language, and there's a VIP member notice and the power adapter and the cable. So there are 3 adapters and 3 cables, and wall mount equipment also provided. And this is the pod itself. Minimalistic look in white color. So let's unbox this. It has 2 ports for network cable and the power socket. Minimalistic white color and Asus logo. And unboxing the power adapter. There are 3 different power adapters. This supports wireless backhaul, and also channel 160 is supported, and it has got a good range and also good strength with a reliable signal. 3 ports can be placed distantly anywhere in the house, and they'll be interacting with the closest port for the signal. That's a good feature. Thanks for watching.